couple here. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Hello, my friend. Chef Blondie here. Almost 2 years ago, our test kitchen staff tested Jacques Pépin's lentil salad recipe. When we presented our results, we told you we would have to test this recipe again. That's because we didn't have the right ingredients. You deserve our very best effort. So this time we made sure we did everything letter perfect. And you know what? We were pleasantly surprised. Jacques' recipe is even better than we thought. It's a super satisfying meatless option for lunch or as a side dish. With Mardi Gras feasting and the Super Bowl behind us, now is the time to try Jacques' lentil salad. Happy cooking. Hello, my friends. Today we're going to be making Jacques' lentil salad. This is a great recipe, especially with Lent coming up on Wednesday. So, shall we get started? First, we're going to put in our rinsed and cleaned French green lentils. And then we're going to add approximately 3.5 cups of water or broth. I really enjoy the vegetable broth because it adds a little bit more flavor. Oop. That's about right. And then I'm going to add some chopped onion. Let's get the rest of this out. And then we're going to do 1 bay leaf and a couple of sprigs of thyme, which will give it a little flavor. And I think we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, just a pinch of cloves, just for taste. So let's see. Yeah, that's good. Then we're going to bring this to a boil. And then we're going to turn it down to low and simmer it for approximately, I would say, 25 minutes until the lentils are cooked, but not mushy. Let's give all this a good stir. Yeah, I've made this recipe several times, and I've used different lentils, but I think the French green lentils are the best, and that's Jacques' choice. Okay, for the dressing for Jacques' lentil salad, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, or a little more if you want, 4 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, or a little more, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, for to taste, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, a couple of drops of Tabasco, 1 large ripe tomato, cored and seeded and cut into small 2-inch pieces, about 1/4 cup. And you're going to add 1/3 cup finely chopped shallots, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, probably about 3 cloves. And so we've done this, we've mixed it up. And so when the lentils are done, We'll drain them, put them in a bowl, let them cool for just a little bit, then we'll add the dressing. All right, it's been 25 minutes, so let's see how our lentils are doing. We'll give them a little taste and see if they're cooked yet. And they're very, very hot. Nope. I think we're going to leave them in for probably another 10 minutes, and that should be done. All right, let's give this a try now. A couple here. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So we're going to drain these off and put them in a bowl and then pour the dressing on them. Okay, we've got the lentils all cooked. We've drained them, and you let them cool down just a little bit till they're warm. And now we're going to add our prepared dressing. Oh, that looks so good. You know, I've done this recipe several times, but this time it just seems to be a lot better. You know, the flavors just are popping right now. All right, let's give this a good stir. Oh my goodness. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And I will remind you that, you know, you can put garnish on this. You can put chopped chives, all kinds of different things. We've done parsley before, and really, I think chopped chives would be great. All right, my friends, let's give this a taste. And let's not forget to put our garnish on the top. You chopped chives here. Oh, beautiful that is. All right, shall we give it a go? Absolutely delicious. You know, this makes a great Lenten meal. It would be great in the spring, in the summer. It's just a fantastic lentil salad. Happy cooking. Friends, we at the Test Kitchen have great fun making these how-to cooking videos. If you like what we're doing here, hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel. Most of all, we do our best to give you the kind of cooking content you want. Your comments and input are priceless to us. Please keep them coming. They make our day just a little bit brighter. Happy cooking.